Hello and welcome to episode number 14 in my Metroidvania course demo series. Let's continue and have a look at some of the features you will learn how to implement when you enroll in this course. Let's start. Next up, we have the circle transition effect, which is used to transition between scenes. So here we have the hero dying. Then, the next feature you will learn to implement is the main menu, where we have a scrolling background, the hero is running on it, and also a selection wheel that is rotating around, both to the left and to the right. This was all for episode number 14. In a day or two, we will continue in episode number 15. See you there!